In this video, we will learn how to set the exam configuration parameters using the author engine in the LAAS software. The administrator or the author can set a number of parameters to control the exam environment. Use the desktop icon to launch the application. To open the author engine login window, click the login button on the LAAS exam engine screen. In the author engine login window, use administrator or author login details. If you are logging in as an author, select author from the drop-down list as your login mode, otherwise, select admin. After entering the details, click on the OK button. When you log in successfully, the admin or author control panel appears. Now, under Exam Options, click the Add Edit Questions button. On the next screen, select the name of the question database you want to work on from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the Online Radio button if you want to edit the online exam database, select the paper and pen exam otherwise. After selection, click on the OK button. In the Author Question Type screen, click on the Exam Configuration button. Before you can configure the exam parameters, you must enter at least one question in the database. The exam configuration screen will show the current values for all the configuration options. The exam name field displays the name of the exam. This field cannot be edited in exam configuration. To edit the exam name, please use the Edit Exam option in the main menu of the Author Control panel. The Number of Exams field displays the number of different exams that will be made available to the candidate. The Number of Questions per Exam field will show the total number of questions present in the database. The Pass Percentage field is used to set the pass percentage for the exam. The Max Time Allowed field is used to set the time allowed to take the exam. The Min Time Allowed field is used to set the minimum exam time before which students cannot end the exam. The Max Score field is used to set the maximum score for the exam. Enabling the Additional Types option will allow authors to add fill-in-the-blanks and drag and drop question types into the database. The Question Weightage section allows the authors to set the score value to be used for each question at different levels of difficulty. The Previous button allows the candidate to view the previous question. Disabling the Previous button will force the candidate to view the questions in forward sequence only. Bookmarking: if you enable, the candidate can bookmark any number of questions while taking the exam and view only bookmarked questions at any time during the exam or after the exam. The Review feature lists all the questions in the exam, and candidates can select any question in the list. The Pause Timer feature will allow candidates to pause the exam timer while taking the exam. The Default User feature will allow candidates to take exams as a default user without logging in. View Category/Subcategory Scores feature will allow candidates to view detailed result analysis with category and subcategory-wise scoring. Authors can also set optional exam monitoring parameters. The Geolocation option will allow the author to get the current geolocation of the students when they are taking the exam. If the OTP option is enabled, candidates will have to enter an OTP sent to their email ID when they try to log into the LAAS exam engine module. If the Image Casting option is enabled, the webcam attached to candidates' systems will take images at regular intervals, which can be viewed by the admin in the Web Admin Control panel when the admin monitors current online exams. If the Screen Recording option is enabled, the system screen will be recorded for the entire duration of the exam, even if the candidate minimizes the LAAS software window. Exam mode can be set to online or offline mode. Use Show Default button to reset to default values for all the configuration options. Use Update and Close button will save any configuration changes made. Thank you for watching. Check out other videos on LAAS software on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us.